Get ready to be amazed because this Let Completely Honest Finding Perfect is officially taking over the internet. Hold on a second. If you highly value smart solutions, you already know that it works exactly as advertised. It is crafted specifically to make your life much smoother. What makes this so unique compared to ordinary items is that it cuts down your daily stress significantly. No more wasting your hard-earned bucks on things that break after 2 days. This piece is built tough, highly efficient, and super simple to operate. It is clearly P for anyone trying to upgrade their current setup. Demand is extremely high for this right now. Make sure you don't miss this opportunity right this second. Get ready to be amazed because this Let Completely Honest Finding Perfect is a